today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're back inside of our Web3Py favorites module, and we're going to be doing some light reading. So once we compile and run our code, we should be prompted to enter our private key, as you saw yesterday. For this, we will need to have the Anvil terminal running because we will be using a private key that is provided by the Anvil tool, like I showed you previously. We will copy and paste the private key from the selections in the Anvil terminal into our prompt field. Once we have copied and pasted the private key into our prompt field, we will hit enter. This should bring up the password prompt, and this is where we will give our file a password. Once we have entered our desired password, we'll hit enter. Once this is done successfully, we should have this confirmation message, saving to.keystone.json. Now, this is how we know that our data has been saved, and we should see the .keystone.json file included in our list of files in our folder. And this is what will be in our .keystone.json file. You can see this information here. Now, all of this information will come online all at once in one straight line inside of our file, but we can format it by using this keyword here, or this keyword command, Control plus Shift plus P. Now, tomorrow I'm going to go back inside our contract, and I'm going to show you how we actually save the file. But not only that, I'm going to show you how we can actually format the information that comes into the .keystone.json file, and that information being our decrypted private key and all of that stuff. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.